Hello children, now we start part 2 of exercise 7.2. Question number 6. Write the next three equivalent fractions. To do this, we have to multiply numerator and denominator by same number. So, the three equivalent fractions of question number 6a. The fraction is 4 upon 5. The three equivalent fractions are 4 upon 5 is equal to 4 upon 5 into 2 multiplied by 2, 4 upon 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 and 4 upon 5 multiplied by 4 and denominator is also multiplied by 4 is equal to 4 2 ja 8 upon 5 2 ja 10. 4 3 ja 12 and 5 3 ja 15. 4 4 ja 16 and 5 4 ja 20. Therefore, the three equivalent fractions of 4 upon 5 is equal to 8 upon 10, 12 upon 15 and 16 upon 20. Answer. Like this, you have to solve all A, B, C, D, E and F. Question number 6. Now question number 7. Fill in the missing numerators. For this, we have to find equivalent fractions of the given fraction. That is, A 4 upon 5 is equal to, fill in the blank, upon 25. So, equivalent fractions of 4 by 5 is equal to 4 by 5 multiplied by 2, 4 by 5 multiplied by 3, 4 by 5 multiplied by 4 and 4 by 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to 4 2 ja 8, 5 2 ja 10, 4 3 ja 12, 5 3 ja 15, 4 4 ja 16, 5 4 ja 25 and 4 5 ja 20, 5 5 ja 25. This is our required fraction. So, answer will be 4 by 5 is equal to 20 by 5. This is the answer. In question number D, 7D, the blank is here. Blank is here is equal to 30 by 54. For this, we have to divide the given denominator by 54 by 9. Thus, we get like this. 54 divided by 9. 9 6 ja 54. And we get the quotient 16. We get the quotient 6. And now we will divide the numerator 30 by this quotient 6. And we get the quotient 5. this quotient will be our answer. Therefore, we can write 5 by 9 is equal to 30 by 54. Thus, you have to do all these questions in your notebook. Now question number 8. Fill in the missing denominators. Here we will use same process as we done in missing numerators. So we will find the equivalent fractions of the given fraction. Like A, question number 8, A, 8 upon 11 is equal to 24 upon blank. So equivalent fractions of 8 upon 11 is equal to 8 upon 11 multiplied by 2, 8 upon 11 multiplied by 3, and like this is equal to 8 to the 16 by 11 to the 22. 8 3 is 24, 11 3 is 33. This is our required fraction. So we will stop here and the answer will be 8 upon 11 is equal to 24 upon 33. Now question number 9. Find the equivalent fraction of 3 upon 4 with. For this we have to find the equivalent fractions of 3 upon 4. Like this, question number 9a, where numerator will be n is equal to 21 and the equivalent fractions of 3 upon 4 is equal to 3 upon 4 into 2, 3 upon 4 into 3, 3 upon 4 into 4, 3 upon 4 into 5, 3 upon 4 into 6, 3 upon 4 into 7 is equal to 3 2 is 6 by 4 2 is 8, 3 3 is 9 by 4 3 is 12, 3 4 is 12 by 4 4 is 16, 3 5 is 15 by 4 5 is 20, 3 6 is 18 by 4 6 is 24 and 3 7 is 21 by 4 7 is 28. This is our numerator and this is our required fraction. So our answer will be 21 divided by 28. Thus you have to do all these fractions. Okay. Find numerator and denominator as directed. Now question number 10. Check whether the given fractions are equivalent or not. For this, we have to do cross multiplication of the given fractions. If both the products will be equal, then the fractions will be equivalent. And if both the products are not equal, the fractions are not equivalent. So, in A, given fractions are 3 upon 15, 1 by 6. We should cross multiply both the fractions 3 upon 15, 1 upon 6. We get after cross multiplication 3 6 is 18, 15 1 is 15. Since both the products, this and this, are not equal, so the given fractions are not equivalent. Okay, like this you have to solve all these fractions B, C D, E, F. You have to do all this exercise in your maths notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.